Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the best and the worst varieties that we grew this season in 2022. So let's start with the worst so that we can save the best for last. Definitely number one, the worst variety was the black currant tomato. Now, I just found that it was very meaty, which was great, but I found that the meat didn't hold much flavor. It held a lot of water. Even when I didn't water them and pick them in the heat of the day, it just seemed to not have much flavor compared to other tomatoes that I grew this season. Maybe if you grow the black currant in your garden and you really enjoy it, just leave your comment down below. Number two would be the rainbow mix of carrots that I had. These were some of the ones that I grew in the garden this year, but I just really struggled with the germination of these rainbow carrots. I had no problem growing different varieties of carrots, so I know it wasn't user error necessarily. Next would be this leaf lettuce variety. I grew a couple different varieties of leaf lettuce this year, and I found some of my favorites, and definitely this one was not it. This leaf lettuce was quite bitter. I found it didn't really hold much of a flavor other than bitter. If you mixed it with the dressing or some tomatoes with some balsamic vinegar, it was a little bit better. I found that when I washed it, even if I used a salad spinner, even if I pat it dry with a paper towel, it didn't hold up really well after washing it. It's kind of just like limp after washing it. Yeah, I'm not really sure if I'll be growing that next year. Now we can go into the top three of my best varieties that grew in the garden this year, and definitely at the top would be the Sunrise Bumblebee tomato. Oh my gosh, was this ever prolific and the most delicious cherry tomato that I ever have grown. They grow quite large, like they were about this big. They had like a good amount of juice but not too much, and the meat was good. They were big enough that if you wanted to slice it in half and put it in a salad, and I will definitely be growing them again. The Sunrise Bumblebee tomato and the Rainbow tomato, that was my favorite from 2021. So those two have definitely hit it out of the park for me. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Number two would be the lemon squash. The lemon squash did very well. It was very prolific. The leaves were humongous. The squash grew so big. The plant just looked so healthy. It grew really well in this area. It grew really fast. And yeah, they were delicious to just barbecue. They had really good size, really good flavor. They were about the size of a baseball, so like about like this big. And number three is the Tabasco pepper. Even though most of my peppers did very well this year, the Tabasco peppers had a good amount of heat. We do like heat in this household. We were growing them specifically to make hot sauce, and we were really looking forward to it, and we got a lot of Tabasco peppers to make a lot of hot sauce. Yeah, it was nice to use those spicy hot peppers from the garden to make a delicious hot sauce. I'll definitely be including Tabasco peppers in the 2023 garden because they were very prolific. Their heat and their flavor were just on point. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like and comment on this video. It really helps me out in the algorithm. Let me know some of your favorite and your not so favorite garden varieties, whether they're vegetable or fruit, down in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.